Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About Tutorial. In this video we are going to learn send message to someone easily. So guys, in LinkedIn you cannot send message to anybody without connecting them. So if you have connections, then you can send message to them. Like if I go with my network, so guys, as you can see, there are so many people, and if I want to send message one of them, then I cannot send message because the messages are locked on LinkedIn. If you want to send message directly, then you have to pay for premium LinkedIn. Then you have to get premium LinkedIn. But if you are using free, then you have to connect first and then you can message to anybody on a LinkedIn. And if you have connections, then look at the left side on the screen. Here you will see manage my network. In this bar you will see connections. Just simply click on this connection button, and here you will see your all the connections, and you can send message to anybody easily. So this person is connected to my account, and I can send her message easily. As you can see, there is no any lock on this, so I will simply click on this button, and here I can type my message and send it to her. As you can see guys, my message has been sent to this person. So guys, this is how to send message in LinkedIn. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much. See you in the next one.